guys, this is Mansi Ludhwani and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about office looks and business casual looks. Now you will get to see what do I wear from Monday to Friday for my office, and also I have added an extra look that you will get to see at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Now if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have already did, then thank you for coming back again. So let's not waste a single second and let's begin with the video.
So whenever we talk about Monday, it seems to be a very lazy and boring day. On Mondays, I especially don't feel like doing much, and I know you people will definitely agree to me. So without investing much time, I thought of wearing something very comfortable and at the same time it has to look professional. So going with this monochromatic kurta pant set, having white lace detailing on the neck, sleeves, and not to forget on the hemline of the pant, which altogether gives a very formal look. In order to make it look more balanced, pairing white pearl jewelry and my regular watch. Lastly, adding a nude pump and my nude bag makes it look more chic. Since Mondays are loaded with a lot of client and business meeting, so you have to have a easygoing outfit which can't be as comfortable as an Indian wear. So for my next look, I am going with this white formal button down shirt, and along with that I am styling my black wide leg trousers which has got white vertical stripes on it. It altogether looks very stylish, easy breezy and chic at the same time. The vertical stripes on the trousers also add some extra height to the overall silhouette, making it look more fashionable. Have also added my golden jewelries and my regular watch. Lastly, to add some more height, I have used my nude pumps and paired a white bag along with it, which looks so put together and balanced. Since Wednesdays are mostly filled with presentation and you can't afford to look dull and boring, so I thought of wearing my very stylish yet formal jumpsuit, which you guys have already seen me styling. Have also added my white pearl stud and my regular watch. Since there is too many black and white going on, so I thought of adding my blue blazer in order to make it look more colorful. Also, I am rolling up my sleeves here, amazed to see that how these tiny detailings can actually make or break the look. Anyways, let's move on to look number 3. So when we think of Thursday, it's more energetic because we are close to weekend now, and also we start planning for the same. So I thought of repeating my same white leg striped pant, but this time with a twist. This time with a formal round neck top having quarter sleeves with detailing at the hemline of the sleeves, making it look so put together and balanced at the same time. To make it look more stylish, going with golden hoops, some golden rings and regular watch. Lastly, pairing my white tote bag and nude pumps altogether look quite effortless and chic. And finally, it's Friday, the last day of the week, which also calls off informal day. Though I am making it a bit formal, or maybe you could say semi-formal. Today I am going to style my button-down shirt dress, but this time adding a black belt which cinches the waist and gives a definition to the overall silhouette. Lastly, pairing my black hoops which matches my dress and my black belt, my regular watch, my nude pumps and the slit at the hemline of the dress altogether make the look so balanced, put together and modish at the same time. Let's move on to the next look. As I mentioned earlier that I am going to add an extra look this time, so it's an after party look. But you don't have enough time to decide on what to wear. So I'm styling the same shirt dress and layered it with a black shrug. Also adding golden statement earring and handcuff at the same time to make it look more fashionable.
These were the 5 different yet very classy look. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, do let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and push the bell icon of my channel. I'll keep coming back with more such kind of videos. Bye.